How to do a deer painting? Let's try it today. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Modula, the artist behind Modula Creations, helping you to learn to draw, paint and relax through art. In today's video, we will do a beautiful deer painting and let's get started. All the materials that I'm using in today's painting are given in the description box below. I'm going to start with a rough drawing of the deer. I'm doing this painting on a canvas. If you want, you can choose it to do it on an acrylic sheet as well. Once the outline for the deer is finished, let's have the background set first. For today's painting, in the background area, this is the list of colors that I will be primarily using: burnt umber, earth green, raw umber, cadmium yellow and white. I'm going to keep the background really abstract without much details, so just blocking the areas with a paint with the strokes of the grass will be enough. I'm using my large filbert brush to do this. Grass is the main feed for the deer, right? So let's show lot of grasses in the background. Deer actually could seem to be a very tough subject, so if you are very reluctant to try this, first draw it on paper, make all necessary corrections that you want and then trace it down onto your canvas. This will make it easy for you to just concentrate on painting. Once the background is set, we can start with the deer. For the deer, I'll be using raw sienna, burnt umber, Naples yellow, white and Pioneer's grey. First, I am starting from the body area, covering it with white, raw sienna and burnt umber. I am just establishing the lightness and the darkness of the areas. Once done, I am starting off with a face. Here too, I'll be using the same colors to cover up the area with the proper tones. In case you are interested in color mixing, download my free guide from the link guide.modulacreations.com. This is a free PDF ebook which will give you a basic idea of mixing your acrylic colors. I am just blocking in the areas. I just need the shape to be right. We will come back to the details later. Next, we will start with the deer antlers. These antlers are not same as horns. Actually, the antlers have a different composition. They are made of bones. And more interestingly, the deer loses its antlers and regrows it every year. Young deer has smaller antlers and mature deer will have large antlers. So for the deer antlers, I am using raw sienna, white and a touch of burnt umber. Only male deer have antlers and also the male deer are larger than female deer. So just set the lightness and the darkness of the antlers wherever necessary. So wherever you want the highlight, you can go ahead to give white and a combination of raw sienna. And for the darker areas, use the burnt umber. So now let's start to work on the details of the face. I will fill the eye to give it a look and feel, and also to make it easy to paint around the eyes. However, I will add the details for the eyes and finish it off later. For the nose, I am using a Pioneer's grey and a touch of white. Now we have just covered all the areas. I will start to work on more of the details. So let's add finer details on the face. I am going to rework on the body. I am adding spots to the deer. The spotted deer is also a species under the deer and it is native to India. I am adding the spots with the white. Initially just marking the location is enough. Now let's work on the fur of the deer. It has a short fur and I want to just represent it. Just remember the direction of the fur. I am using raw sienna and burnt umber to bring out the fur details. I do post video tutorials with step-by-step instructions like this one, detailed product reviews and much more on my channel every week. So do subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications from YouTube whenever I post a new video. We need to layer it few times to get the fur effect. For the fur details, I am using a smaller brush. You could actually use a size 1 or 2 round brush. Just go back and forth to finish off the fur entirely. As a final task, I am just smoothing some of the areas and adding values to some of them to give the final touch of this deer acrylic painting. Hope you enjoyed the deer painting in acrylics. Here is the final completed painting. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got value from this video, do click on the like button and also do share. Subscribe and let's stay in touch. Enjoy the other useful videos here. Have a great week and happy painting.